Hi, and welcome to my walkthrough for my Project One, the personal site for the web development class here at Northeastern University. I developed this project using HTML5, CSS, and Bootstrap, so I could take advantage of things like this nav bar up here, the column format, as well as things like cards that I utilize in some of my other sections. This first site, and you can kind of see my little emoticon here as well. This first site takes you to a short bio of me. I really wanted it to just be kind of some quick hits so that if, say, someone was preparing for an interview with me, they would have a little bit of background on myself. I also threw in some fun facts just to show some kind of unique things about me. So this is a link to a film that I executive produced, my brother. I also included links to things like LinkedIn and GitHub, just so that all of my content is in one place. I also had, used some headings here to be able to demonstrate what my current status is, just so it's very clear very quickly if someone was visiting the site. And my current status right now is looking for co-ops and internships. So this current page we're on is the home page. Now I'm going to go to my work experience page. So I'm really proud of this page since it also implements my kind of unique creative feature, as well as a lot of where the JavaScript work was that I developed. So up here, just a title. I utilize cards from Bootstrap to be able to showcase all of these different experiences. The data for this is powered by a JSON file so that it's easy for me to add new experiences as I go along. I also included just some brief thumbnail images that kind of tied into, that stage of my career. I also use CSS just to get the formatting of these bullet points the way that I like, just so that it would be, again, easy for someone to read when they're going through and looking at it. So in terms of my kind of creative feature, I wanted to make it so that, you're looking through this large page of experiences. If you wanted to, say, group certain specific experiences, say, for example, to learn about my time at Lumafield, you could click this button and it will highlight all of the experiences that are related to Lumafield. Now, say you're done with that, you can hit clear, or when I hit a new button, you'll see that it automatically clears and then highlights the new relevant experience. Now I'm going to move on to my academic experience page. This is the page that I vibe coded using Claude's Sonnet 4 model. Basically, I told it that I wanted to be able to showcase my academic history in a creative way, and so together we came up with this. So now here, if I click, I'm able to show things like key classes, activities that I'm in, awards. So I was able to kind of customize it depending on what I wanted to focus on for each of these different work experiences. Sorry, academic experiences. I definitely had to do a lot of editing in terms of the code that was generated, either because it was adding in extra things that I didn't think were necessary, or adding things I didn't understand. So I took the output from Claude and then edited it down to get it to the point where I wanted it. Thank you for watching my walkthrough.